Yeah, that video, yesterday's video, stopped abruptly. Battery went a bit like me. Right, feeling a lot better today. Just coming to the van now, it's about 1:30ish. Sandra's not too well, but anyway, that's beside the point. I've made this. What it is, that'll be covered. I haven't decided yet either carpet or the material, that, and it goes there like that. And needless to say, these straps go underneath. You know what I mean? You just pull it like that, and now it goes there. And then you'll have all your lats, which is here. There, I've actually doubled them up. Left them overnight, last night, glued together, clamped. Yeah. So, I don't know what it is about this a little bit. It seems to forever. Ever and ever and ever. Right, I am going to have a cup of coffee. That is a cup of coffee. And then I am going to attempt to glue these straps on them. Yeah, the blue straps. But because this is going to take some stick when it's being pulled out, I want to make sure it's right. So I'm thinking of using contact adhesive and staples. So, right, update later. Turned everything upside down, laid them all out, equally spaced. Put the do on. Bit overkill with staples, but I know for a fact through past experience this, when it gets pulled out, it takes some hammer, especially if they get jammed. You know, as they're coming out, if they go on a tilt, these lats, they get stuck inside. So, and also everything's upside down. Yeah, well, that's it really. Oh, I've doubled up. I've put 2, and also it's only spray contact adhesive, spray adhesive, that's all it is. I didn't use the proper stuff because I'm tight. It's too expensive and I might need it just in case, because anyway, yeah, it's another story. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to sit down, I'm going to have a cigarette and let this dry good style before I do anything else. Right, I've spun it over. Let's say that's how it looks. Oh. This, like I say, it'll be covered in, I don't know, I haven't decided whether to do it in this or the same carpet, you know, and then it runs. I'm thinking more material, but anyway, right, all I need to do now, obviously look, when that slides now, it'll all push in there. Oh, sorry. When you put, I'll start again. Right. Yeah, them need attaching. In fact, I'll do that and then I'll show you how it is supposed to work. Because when I built this container, if you want to call it that, the housing for the lats. Ooh, is that posh? I only thought the lats were going to be single, so there have only been 6, if that. Right, so, no, there's been 7, weren't there? Yeah, so now we're accommodating 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we're being glued together, making it double. I'm wondering if that box will accommodate all this. Right, so what I'll do anyway, I'll attach these. They go obviously attached to the inside. So as when you pull it, that's as far as it will go. That's why I did double, because like I say, it takes some hammer, does this. Right, I shall attach this and then we'll give it a TR. That means test run. Hey. Right, I can't get my staple gun inside to pin them. Anyway, I've just glued them. Put a couple of tacks in. Whether they'll work I don't know. Right, genuinely I haven't tested it, so let's give it a go, eh? Just slidey. Oh, it's going in nicely. Nice. There you go. And that'll be covered. I think it's going to be better same as that, innit? Carpet. Perfect. Let's see how it comes out. Excellent. Works straight. Result. Actually, something's gone right for me. Oh no! I've got a gap. I've no lats there, have I? Between there and there. Oh crap. What it needs is just one there, doesn't it? On top of that. Will it matter? Nah, it won't matter, will it? Who sleeps against wall? Plus there's going to be that cushion thing there, so no, it'd be alright, it'd be right. Good on you. Just like I say, it's just little bits. Just put this up. It's called wallpaper trim. Cheap, I'll tell you. Anyway, goes over these joints, you see that there. Anyway, just tidies it all off. Already put some there, look. There. Yeah, so, yeah, just that there to do. And as far as I know, this side then, well, this bottom bit anyway, is finished. I decided to move on to the other side. The ends for the cupboards. I made a bit of a boo-boo really. I actually thought that these went underneath, and needless to say, so I need to cut them anyway. You see, it's not going to fall in line. You know, like I say, these I thought they went under, but they don't. They go on bloody side like that. Just cut that, and that black line there, that's where it's going to be routed out. But unfortunately I can't do any machinery work because one of my neighbours is, to say not well is an understatement, so show a bit of respect. Yeah, so I can't route it and get them fixed up. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to make some tea, because like I say, Sarah's not so good either. God, what's wrong with everybody? Right, so I'm happy anyway. I'm happy that's done. So in a sense, this is done. Oh, dear me. I haven't had a fag yet. Oh, I've had two. I don't know what to do about these. On top there. I don't know where to get it. It's not plywood, it's that other stuff. Bloody great crappy wood it is. Shiny on one side and rough on the other. And I can't think of it. I mean, it bends right easy. I think is it just pressed cardboard or something? And I'm just wondering whether to get some strips cut. You know, for there. There. Where else were I going to do? Oh yeah, there, and that there. And if that's the case, I could use this knocking on this or this, you see. And I've also got a little tiny piece somewhere else that'll do it on the side. I can't even cut these cupboards here because neighbour. Anyway, yeah, so this here stuff here, I'm just wondering, and then cover it in cloth, the same material. Put just a little, I don't know, a centimetre or so, piece of foam Well, it'll be a bit of messy, but it might stand it out a bit. I don't know whether to, well, in fact, yeah, I am going to do anyway. Down here, I'm going to have to form an upholster with the same stuff, make it like a cushion, because the cushions that are being made, because I want the base cushions 6 inch, obviously the backs have got to be 6 inch because they'll be going into this space here to make the bed. Right, you imagine 6 inch from there to there, the cushion's going to be up there. It's going to be, because they're 12 inch. No, in fact they're more, because with the they're about 13 inch. Yeah, from there to there it's 26 inch. No, it isn't. It's 24, so it's 12 inch. Yeah, well, even so, then 12 inch from there up, and they're going to look stupid. Mind you, though, they might not. We shall see. Yeah, so I might nip off and get some of this cut for what it's going to cost. Worth a try. Plus, I've got to go to upholsters and pick up some material if I want to do this. Right, people.